Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
Your name?
My name is Yakobo. Yakobo Tobias Rabo. Yakobo Tobias Rabo.
Yakobo Tobias Labo. How was your weekend, Yakobo?
My weekend was fine.
Was fine.
Yes.
Were you in church?
Yes.
Where?
Hmm?
Where?
Roman.
Roman Catholic. That's nice, eh?
Yes.
You were in class?
P3.
Can you tell us what about your weekend? Have you studied?
Yes.
You are studying which subject?
Math, English, Kiswahili and Geography.
Kiswahili and Geography.
Yes.
How do you feel when you are going to school, this school bus?
I feel good. Good.
Sure.
Yes.